Hello, how are you? I hope you are doing fantastic. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first being here, you are so much appreciated and you clicked to the right channel. So today's video is gonna be about cleaning and organizing my bathroom, or rather my toilet, and also my fridge. And I think we will also do like monthly shopping haul. So that's pretty much what this video entails. I hope you're gonna enjoy. I hope you're gonna love it. So I usually start off by making sure I put the LSEPT in the toilet, and then in the meanwhile I'll continue to wash the set and the other things that are usually in the bathroom, and then I'll continue like that. I hope you enjoy it. So it's gonna be more of me just quietness and you enjoying the songs, but I hope this motivates you to clean your space.
Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop. It's all I have left, all I have of you. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, but let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that. Oh, staying inside in my bed all day long, listening to sad songs and feeling so low, thinking about you and where we went wrong. Cause I wanna know why you let me go. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, I let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that. Oh, thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that. Oh.
So to clean the floor of the toilet, I use Vim and a little bit of detergent, and then I got this cute, really good brush from Carrefour, which is firm enough and does the scrubbing really well. So that's what I use to scrub the floor.
Makeup stained sheets and tear-soaked cheeks, desperate for the dawn to bring back dignity. Time and
plug, just in case, like, I've never said or you've never watched my previous videos, because I know there are so many new subscribers. These toilet set, because there's this and then there are those are there, and that I got them from decor. And then what else? These toilet set, I got it from House of Leather kitambo kidogo. And then these baskets here, I got them from Karioko Market, not Kariobangi, Karioko Market. This was gotten from a classmate of mine. From campus, I can plug you up. I'll leave a number in the description box. The flower vase, it's thrifted, I can't remember. This is a gift. And then what else is a plug that maybe might interest you? The baskets are from Kamukonji. These one you can get them in the street. I use this to put the facial cottons. You can get the container anywhere in the streets of Nairobi. Yeah. So, and I think that's it. This portrait here, I got it from Home Decor 254 some time back. And that's how pretty much my simple bathroom looks like after cleaning and all that. It looks pretty much a decent bathroom, a decent toilet. This is a toilet, by the way. Yeah, so that's it. So the next place I am cleaning is my fridge, which is totally dirty and super empty. So before restocking other things, I decided to do a thorough cleaning in here, because it's definitely needed that. It was super dirty and all that. So what I'm gonna do is I'll remove the items inside, and then wash the inside things for the fridge. By the way, would tell me what are they called. I'm going to remove that and then clean.
Soon I'm climbing all 4 walls in my apartment. I can't spend another second with my brain. Gotta get up and get out, but there's a problem. Every time I go outside, I see your face. Wish you could be here right now, lay here by my side, all day, all day, all day. Tell me it's gonna be alright, we gon' work it out. No way, no way, no way. The floor is cold, it chills my bones. I'm all alone, somebody see you. It's been a month since you've been gone. I'm all alone, somebody see you. Hey, where you at, where'd you go, babe? Can't you see that I need company? I'm losing my way. Only get through when it's you plus me. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Honestly, can't you just call me? Where you at, where'd you go, babe? Let me fix my mistakes. Wish you could be here right now, lay here by my side, all day, all day, all day. Tell me it's gonna be alright, we gon' work it out. No way, no way, no way, yeah. The floor is cold, it chills my bones. I'm all alone, somebody see you. It's been a month since you've been gone. I'm all alone, time again I relapse, but your love is always waiting. Perhaps I can't save myself, so I fade to black. But if I get what you take, only take enough to swallow the pain, drown the pain until it all wash away, from the night to the day.
We have cleaned all these are
Forgive my mistake.
Chanue because now, but I've cleaned them. These the things for inside the fridge. I have those ones here, and then here. Also, let me show you how it's looking inside the fridge. I've also cleaned it thoroughly because it was really dirty, by the way, super dirty. So let me show you how that is looking. Also, these are the stuff that were remaining. I've removed them. Yeah, these were the stuff that are remaining in the fridge, so I've removed them. And then, so this is how it's looking now. It's looking really super clean, like a clean woman's fridge. It was very dirty, super dirty. So now what it needs is now to be restocked, to put stuff back, but it's now super clean. And yeah, so I'll show you once I've arranged everything. I think now I also need to buy good like to buy food stuff. I don't have, so that is what I'll do, so that I can also restock in the fridge. But that's how it's looking, and I'm loving it. I've had like to literally clean. I love like removing everything and just cleaning, like cleaning kabisa, you know. So yeah.
Yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know.
Anyway, let me put these things up here so that I can show you what I got. But what is this economy? What is this? What is this? Oh my goodness. Yo! Leo, allow me to rant. Sijui kwa nini naanza na kurant, but anyway. So let me put everything here and then bring the camera closer so that I can show you. But hey, as I'm doing that, I'm feeling the pinch. I'm feeling the pinch of this economy. I'm not even kidding you guys. These are the things that like were remaining. These are not new. Let me tell you all. Let me tell you guys. Hey. Let me tell you. It is bad, oh. It is bad. Independent woman by foot. Oh my God. Oh, Lord, have mercy. I know I'm making a joke, but this is a serious matter. If you're not living in Kenya, Kenyan economy is right now in the toilets. Like, pesa, it's like money, it's like papers. I don't know. Like, oh my goodness. Stay indoors if you can, by the way. Like, on a literally serious note. Oh! Yeah. I've stopped complaining now. Let me show you what I've got. But these are all the things I've managed to buy. Let me bring the camera closer and then show you like what I've got. I tried trying to remove water. Okay, let's start with the ones that are down here. I got eggs. I think, I don't know, these were going for like, I can't remember the prices for these ones, but I bet you they were the cheapest or the affordable one, if I may use that word, because anyway, I don't complain. So I got eggs, and then I got 2 packets of maize, unga ya ugali. And then let me actually just show you first things that are down here. And then I got 1 all-purpose flour. I use this to cook a lot of pancakes. And then I got a box of milk. One was going for 58 shillings. So a box, I don't know, it's like how much. So let's start with these. I'm going to start with no particular order. Serviette, they were the affordable one. I think they had an offer, they were going for like 199. I go through this quickly, so I got these 2. And then I think this one has like, this bag has like some sort of toiletries. So let's see. I went with Sufficient bleach. Jig is no longer affordable to me, you know. So this was going for I think around 350 something or 390 something, if I'm not wrong. And then I got myself some facial cotton pads. I use this to remove my makeup. And then what else? Elecept. This one for toilet cleaner. I don't remember the price. Something that I got that I want to try. So this is a new product. I've never used it in my house before. It's a toilet spray, and it was going for I think 510 shilling. Okay, it smells kind of new, and also I can see like it's saying it's new, so I don't know if it's a new product. I'm gonna use, and then I'll let you know how it is, but it really smells nice. So this was going for 510. I got a value pack for soap, Imperial Leather. I use this to, I alternate these with my shower gels. So this was going for I think 3 something. Yani the prices of stuff. And then some girly stuff. I just got one and this. And then I needed some toilet blocks. These ones. Sufficient, they were the cheapest. Guys. I was going for something that, you know, I no longer have like brand loyalty. And then I went for Colgate charcoal, my favorite one. And then soap. This was going for like 235 shillings. And then I got Omo. This was I think around 360 something. So, and that's like the first bag. That's the first bag. So, and then this second one, I love this bag. By the way, I love this bag for carrying my groceries. I love it so much. So, nowadays, I buy these. Like, yo guys, this one really stays fine. Like, this one, I think the next time I'm gonna buy is next year. So, this is like for cleaning utensils, and I also use it for cleaning my house and all that. So, this is for cleaning. It's detergent for cleaning. And then I got the value pack for Minute Maid. This was going for like I think 500 and something. And that's it for that bag. Then we have now this bag. This one has just 2 tissues. I got the one that was going for 334 for 10 rolls. So I got 2. I also go through tissues like, I don't know if I say quickly. Yeah. But not that like they will, you know, they stay a significant good time. And then we have another bag here. So we have another bag here. This one, this one has like cake. You guys, these cakes from Carrefour, they slap. Yo, so I just got a small piece. I'm trying, you know. And then I got this one for hot dogs. So I that, and then think there's another bag somewhere. Oh yeah, it's there. I was wondering. So and then Famila Uji. I love Uji. So I got the fermented one, the sour one. And then I got a few clips. Or should I say snacks for when I'm watching? Not such a big fan of snacks, you know. Yeah, but I just got a few. These ones are tortillas have become a must in the house. So I got this. I'm always making some wraps in the house. So I got this, was going I think for 300 and something. A packet of biscuit. And then I got mayonnaise, the eggless mayonnaise, guys, that I told you. This is the one that I use, so I got the eggless mayonnaise. And then mustard. And then ketchup. I love, by the way, so the one I am using currently is Capute, not bad. So sort of has honey in it. Okay, I'm not feeling it much, but I'm not hating it. It's good. But my favorite one is usually ketchup from Peptan. Yeah. This one or Heinz. Heinz is expensive right now. I got 3 packets of spaghetti. One was going for 172. 172. We are grateful. And then I got macaroni. This was going for I think 170 something. I don't know, I'm not sure. I got 1 bottle of soda. And then I got sugar. I decided to buy 2 kgs and 1 kg. I realized sugar is running quite quickly in the house, especially when I decide to do other things with sugar, like, you know, do more than just tea. So I decided to add, oops, you cannot be monitoring. And then I decided to add 1 kg. So I also got bicarbonate of soda. This one, I'm gonna use it to like clean the spaces in the house. Like, yeah, yeah. So let me grab the last bag. I think the last bag. Yeah, and things that I got for the fridge, like that needs to be. So I got mala. I added mala, and then hot dogs. I got some hot dogs, some bacon. Not much of a fan. I just decided to buy kidogo. Just these sausages. I got a few yogurt, and then I got 2 packs of chicken. So I got 2 packs of chicken drumsticks and a pack of 1 kg for chicken. And I think this was a necessary buy. I got a pack of ice cream. So this is, I wanna try these mulberry for those days. There's just those days where I have cravings, guys. Yeah. So that was it for the shopping. And there my millions were gone. But I am grateful that I was able to do this. Honestly, I am super grateful because I can for sure it is tough out there. But this stuff are gonna carry me for quite a while. So that's the good thing with me. Once I do this, these ones are gonna carry me for quite a substantial amount of time. So yeah, let me arrange and put them where they're supposed to go, because it is the ghetto, Nairobi. Cheers.
Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this shit fly? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive, you getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. About me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this body, too late on coming, don't wait up. Trying to get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Can't ignore my intuition, baby. I know you're typing every game you try to play. You know you could get replaced, ayy. Cause I won't track around, no dead weight. Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, yeah. Waiting by the curb, too upset to drive it, getting on my nerves. So we gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good tonight, and I just wanna have a good time. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You won't miss this body. Too late for I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Trying to get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Gonna lead a drama, cause I'm too grown. Let you deal with that alone. I'ma get back when I do, don't call my phone. Don't leave the lights on for me.
This is how it's looking. So this is the rest of the stuff, and then the fridge was empty, and now that's how it's looking with the stuff. So still have some space because I need to go and do some grocery shopping, like sijafanya other things. Like there's some stuff I haven't bought, like you can see. Even I don't know why I was thinking my fridge is small, but it's quite huge. What am I putting? Anyway, that's how it's looking. So it's no longer empty, and it's no longer dirty. So that's how I need to go to. I do not do, what is it called? I don't do like I don't trying to say is I don't do like I don't cook like cereals and put in the fridge. I don't not for any reason. Honestly, I'm always alone, and because of also I have acidity, I don't like putting food in the fridge, like as in to be eating. So if I want to cook kama ni cereals, I'll just cook for that day, which I rarely consume anyway. I need to start doing that again here. So I'll go and buy other stuff that needs like minji, potatoes, nini, the things for like, you know, yeah. I'll go and do that in Githurai, and then I think I'll be set for the next 2 months, by the way. For the next 2 months. So yeah.
Waste of words, waste of breath. Cause I've got none to say. Thoughts they burn inside my chest. Can't take it one more day. No matter how much pain